Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Finding Freedom, where I teach you strategies, tactics, and tips on how to live a free life. So if you're balling on a budget, in this episode, we're going to go ahead and talk about how to go ahead and get the most out of AI when it comes to promo codes, discounts, and so much more. So one of the things you want to do is tell AI to become some of the best secret shoppers out there, and then have it do market research on whoever it is that you're doing shopping for. You can use their Instagram profile. You can use their social media profiles, upload that into AI, and then ask it to create the perfect gift idea for this type of individual. Now, some AIs may not work that way as far as like getting information, but I do know some platforms such as Google's Gemini, which has access to the search feature, can pull stuff from LinkedIn and anything else that's in the public domain. Now, if you're trying to just shop for yourself, you can also ask it for stores that have the best discounts and or promo codes for stuff. Now, I know there's other applications or extensions like Honey and Cabbage and all these other things, but with AI, it's right there at your fingertips, and you can go ahead and capture that information and then utilize it, let's say at your Amazon store, and save 15 or 20%, or your Google store and save another 10% there, so on and so forth. So these are just some tricks, tips, and ideas of how to ball on a budget for Christmas shopping this year in 2024. If this video helped you, smash that like button down below, and don't forget to follow me for more tips like this. Take care. Have a great day.